The easiest way to share a form with a bunch of teachers or other people who want to use your form is for you to go ahead and share the editable version with them. So when you open up your Google Drive, you might get everything in these little icons. I prefer to change mine to a list view. It makes it easier for me to see. Once you find the form that you want to share, you're going to select it, so click on it once. And then up here, you're going to see the little guy with the plus sign, which means to share. So you're going to click on Share, and it'll bring up the share box, the share settings, and from here you can add the email address of their Google account, their Google Drive account, because in this instance, forms will not be shareable where they can edit the document unless they have Google Drive and Google Docs. So once you add in the email address, you can have it notify them via email as well, so that makes it easier for them to access the file. As you can see, I have this one shared with another teacher. You click Send, and then once the teacher that you want to share it with gets access to it, you want them to make their own copy, especially if it's a form they're going to use for, say, like this one I have here is a student information sheet. You don't want your data mixed in with their data. You want them to have their own separate form. So what they'll do is they will open up the editable version of the form, and they'll make a copy of it. So they're going to go to File, Make a Copy, and then, you know, maybe have them put their name on there so that they have access to their form, and they can discern it from yours. Click OK, and then now you can see up here in the name they have their own form and they'll have their own responses. Be aware though that if they have access to your editable form, they also have access to the responses of your form. So keep that in mind when you're, if you're using this for something like a student information sheet where it might not be a good idea to share that kind of personal information about students with other teachers. So you may want to pull the sharing. You can stop sharing that same document with people the same way. So you go back to Share and you click on the person and you can delete them right here. Oops, you can see the X right here. You can delete them. So after they've had a chance to make their own copy, you might want to remove them from the shared editable version of yours. Hope that's helpful. Have a great day.